Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a jerk shrimp kebab.
So let's start by making the marinade for our jerk shrimp. So I'm going to go into my blender with some cilantro, or you can use bandania or cilantro, some parsley, some scallions, we need some garlic. I'm going in with a piece of hot pepper. I don't want to put too much because of the baby, but you can add as much or as little as you want. One pimento pepper, a piece of onion. Going to go in with a few dashes of soy sauce, and if you're using the dark soy sauce, you'd add a little. In goes some paprika and a little pinch of cinnamon, and next some allspice. The allspice is a very important ingredient, so you don't want to omit that. I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of oil. Going to go in with a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt just to season the seasonings or the jerk seasoning. You don't want to add too much. You can always add when you're going to season your meat. And I'm also adding in a piece of ginger. Now time to process this. I'm going to process it off camera and I'll see you guys right back. So before I add that to my shrimp, and you guys can use chicken or any other type of meat for this, I'm going to go in with some goya Adobe all-purpose seasoning just to add some additional flavor to the shrimp. You guys know I love using this seasoning. It really does enhance the flavor when you're cooking. So you just want to add that and then go in with about 2 tablespoons of your jerk seasoning. Now you can see my jerk seasoning is a nice light green color. If you wanted it a darker color, of course, you can add more soy sauce to your mix. And we're just gonna give this a mix. You want to make sure that all of the shrimp pieces are coated in that jerk seasoning. Okay, once you finish mixing the shrimp with the jerk seasoning, just set it aside in your refrigerator, covered, and allow it to marinate for about 15 minutes. So guys, once your shrimp or whatever meat you're using has finished marinating, we're going to go ahead and take our skewers. And I'm using metal skewers for this, but if you had wooden skewers, make sure you soak them overnight in water because they tend to burn really quickly if you don't. So I'm gonna start skewering. I have pineapples, onions, sweet peppers, and I have the shrimp. So I'm gonna start with pine. We really love pine in our family, and you want to look for really nice ripe pineapple when doing this. So I'm going in with pine and onion. You can use whatever vegetable you want for this, and a piece of sweet pepper, and then I'm going to go on with a shrimp. Now these shrimp, they're really huge. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're really huge. And then I'm going to repeat the pineapple, onion, and pepper again, and then finish it with that pineapple. And that way you have one skewer like this. Doesn't that look perfect? Right, so I've finished one. I'm going to build the rest of my skewers and I'll see you guys right back. Okay, so let's place these onto the grill. Now these are going to take about, I would average about 12 minutes to cook. It depends on how hot the coals are. You want to make sure that the shrimp is nice and pink. Once it's that color, you'll know it's finished. You don't want to overcook it. And of course, I like my vegetables a little bit on the crunchy side, so I'm not going to let it overcook. Now I'm going to take some of the marinade that I have, and I'm just going to brush it over the vegetable, the pineapple, and the shrimp again. This is just going to add some more of that jerk flavor. I'm going to flip it over again. You see how nice and pink it's looking? And now I'm going to also take that jerk seasoning and go over this side. So we did one side, we want to do the next side. Right, so now all we have to do is wait for this to finish. Shouldn't be long again, maybe about 6 minutes. So I would say probably it's taking up more than 8 minutes because of the size of the shrimp. So smaller the shrimp, faster it will cook. Bigger the shrimp, it's going to take a little longer. So guys, these kebabs are finished. All I have to do now is take them off of the grill and enjoy it. And I'm going, as I said, I'm going to enjoy it over a salad. You can do it over rice, whatever you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick and easy jerk shrimp kebab recipe. Make it, let me know down below if you like it. Remember, you can use chicken, you can use pork, you can use beef, whatever you want to use for this. It's really versatile. And comment, let me know what you think if you make it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome.